We're here in a Subaru dealership in this parking lot area. I wanted to see how the car would do getting us out of this situation. I have the wheel here. Let's start over. Let's get back where I was. I didn't put on if we get the wheel anytime soon, I will see how it get us out of this situation. But let's slow down though, right? Slow down. So the car is going all the way around here. Just going to make a left turn up here. Stopped. Trying to get out this parking lot, and there's snow on the ground, so in some edge cases it might get close to the sides. But I mean, it went all the way around. We could have made a turn, you know, back here. But so far it's doing really good getting us out of this parking lot. It's signaling to make this left turn here, and it's staying on the right path, the right side of the lane, like how I would drive if I was trying to get out here. And the speed limit to me is perfect. It's going, the map is going 14 miles right now, which is what I put. It was saying it should be in 15, but so it's signaling to get out of this area, and we're good. I mean, it did a great job right there. It did a great job. Not as quick as I would do, so it's stopping a little bit too far from the stop sign. I was going to make this turn. Man, that was amazing. I mean, it's not as great as a human would get those type of situations done, but that was amazing. I'm proud of Beta. Proud of Beta. Now we're just gonna get here on the highway. I just wanted to test out how it would do in that parking lot area, and it did a great job. Back on city streets. I can't wait till they implement version 11 on the highway so I can show you guys what it looks like. But what the car did right there, I didn't have it recorded, but we were on the lane behind that car to our right. So what the car did, it went to the left lane because there were no cars on that lane. By the way, we're coming up to that turn here where the car usually does it improperly. So today, why was this so good today? That was so freaking good. That turn right there. Usually it just messed that thing up. It just butchers it. So this car got here before us. We're gonna wait here on the stop sign, and just go. There we go. There we go. It's going, creeping up. So I'll take control here. I just wanted it to do that turn again. But that turn was just freaking amazing. It did that perfectly. What was I saying before I lost my train of thought? I forgot. But anyways,